Hi everyone, my name is Megan and I'm here to walk you through a tutorial to build a multi-track switch, which is a really nice obstacle-like feature that you can add to your cardboard marble adventure. To be fully honest, this was actually a bit of a tough one, or at least for me, so I also challenge you to try and incorporate this cool feature and see if you can find better and even more interesting ways of getting the multi-track switch to work. For this tutorial, we'll only need a few materials. I'd recommend a ruler, paperclip, scissors, glue, and of course, cardboard. Though maybe not this much. So first I'll mark about 1/2 inch from the top and the bottom on both the left and the right sides, allowing me to then draw a horizontal line that will help me when cutting. These long, narrow rectangles will become the walls of our track. Next, we can glue on our walls. We'll then cut out a space in our second wall. This will be where we'll put our track switch. We will then cut out 2 rectangular cylinder type cardboard shapes and we will attach them to one another. This will then be our switch. Using a paper clip, we can then stretch it out all the way so it's as vertical and straight as can be, and we can place this into the intersection of our switch. This will allow it to rotate as we're seeing in this video. Next, we'll want to cut out another small rectangular oval type of cardboard shape. And this will actually go over the paper clip and allow us to attach it to our main track. Here's a demo of our multi-track switch. We can see that as the marble goes down the track, it hits the switch and it either can continue going all the way down the track, or if the switch flips the other way, it exits out towards our left. Track switch, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I did find this a little challenging. I think using a paper clip, it was hard to get as straight as possible, and so sometimes the switch didn't really rotate as well, got a little stuck at places. And so I think an alternative to a paper clip, if you have it around, is maybe a sewing needle, a clothing pin, just keeping in mind that these can be a little sharp, so just watch your fingers. I also found that it helped to have my track set at an angle, so I have that platform set under it, right where the switch is, and then I also was having it lean against another kind of cardboard wall that I set up. But as you're building your marble adventure and you have all these other cardboard infrastructure in place to help support your tracks, I think that this should probably take care of itself. So I really encourage other people to try out this switch, try and get it to work a little more flawlessly than my own. I would love to see it. And I hope you guys have fun. I think you can be really creative in where you're putting the switch. Maybe you have one switch that leads directly to another switch, and you can kind of see this kind of cascade of different obstacles that your marble has to navigate. Thanks for watching, and hope you all have fun, and I'm wishing you good luck.